I made it this far.
We're not as young as them.
My feet are killing me.
Yeah.
I'm not a skater,
No,
so.
I haven't had these on.
I'm not a.
How old are these? Probably 20 years.
Yeah, well, these are pushing that too, and I mean, I don't wear them that
Yeah, we
often.
used to go Sunday skating.
What's
Hey,
happening?
Emily.
Hey, how are ya?
Davies, how's things?
Good.
Oh
Well, look how far we are. Holy moly.
You gotta go back, eh? That's the
Two. No, that's
gotta
the
get out of
third.
here.
Yeah, I'm gonna do.
Look at those nice buildings. That
Okay, bud.
We have like.
is that the Parliament's right there? Right there.
Yeah, or a hotel. No, it's not the
No,
Parliament building.
the one with the peaks.
No, it's not the Parliament.
Is it not?
Parliament building.
Okay.
Big lawn in front of it.
All right.
How far are they? I don't even see them.
Oh,
Okay,
they're
let's go try and find them.
they're far.
We're gonna go look. Dude, there's another one of those fishy things.
Oh yeah,
What's that?
fishy thing. See you later, Emily.
What was it?
See you later.